legends, they were true.
I've crossed the stars, but I've never felt this alone.
Sora 2 is here, and it's absolutely mind-blowing for creating videos. But here's the catch. You need an invite code to get in, and every video you make comes with that annoying watermark. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Sora 2 without an invite code and without a watermark. Okay, let's get started. We're using Magic Light AI. It's a super easy tool that can make high-quality long videos in just a few clicks. Just hit Get Started and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, I've added the link down in the description. Magic Light just added a new Sora 2 feature. You can use it for free with unlimited video generation if you're on the Pro or Plus plan. But it's a limited time offer only and available until the end of this month. You can also make videos up to 30 minutes long with just a few clicks. Any kind of video you want, like a story to video, kid story, character vlog, or anything else. No special skills needed, just a few clicks and your video's ready. It even has an AI video assistant. Just type in your idea and it does everything for you. It's like an all-in-one AI tool that handles the whole process. Alright, let's start with image to video and make a quick video using Sora 2. Just upload your image. You can also add a prompt if you want more specific results, though it's optional. Next, choose the Sora 2 model. Right now, it only supports 720p resolution. Then set the video duration. You'll also notice it shows 0 credits, which means you won't be charged any credits while this offer lasts. Once you're ready, just click Generate, and it'll start creating your video. As you can see, it smoothly turns our image into a video with natural motion, sound, and no awkward or robotic moves at all.
I've crossed the stars, but I've never felt this alone.
The result looks clean, realistic, and really impressive. Now let's try another one. This time I'm uploading an image of a lone warrior standing on a cliff, and I added a prompt with background music and dialogue.
The legends, they were true.
Wow, that looks amazing. The motion and overall quality are even better this time, making it feel like a real animated moment. Now let's create a story using the AI video agent. Just click on it and it'll take you right here. It's a super simple and easy way to make stories. You can choose what type of story you want, like kids, animals, the Bible, or even those viral rescue videos. It also comes with a few sample stories you can try out. Just choose the type of story you want to make, then in the prompt box, type your story idea. For me, I'm choosing a kid's story, so I'll paste my idea there. Then hit enter. Now AI will instantly create the story for you. You'll see the estimated story duration here, and if you want it to be longer, you can expand the story, adjust the video length, or even tweak the characters. Just type your revision request in the input box. Now based on the story content, the AI automatically sets a video style, but you can totally change it to whatever you like. Then choose your video language and aspect ratio. Once everything looks good, click Next to open the cast section. Here, you can choose your characters. If you click AutoCast, Magic Light will automatically match characters to your story. You can also edit them or pick different ones. Magic Light gives you a bunch of characters to choose from, and you can even create your own custom characters. Once you've chosen your characters, hit Next. This takes you to the storyboard section where Magic Light automatically creates images for each scene. You can easily adjust any scene you want here. Change the voiceover, pick a voice you like, or even clone your own voice. Now let's preview all the images. If something doesn't look right, you can easily fix it by tweaking the prompt, then regenerate again or edit it with Nano Banana. For example, here I regenerated the first image and now I'm going to edit it using Nano Banana. I'll change his expression to a terrified look. And as you can see, it updates the expression perfectly without affecting the rest of the image. You can also adjust the camera angle, add effects, or make more edits just by using prompts. Here, I added a lightning effect, and look at that result. It looks amazing. Also, you can upload your own image if you already have it. Now, to bring this image to life, just click Animate. Choose the video model you prepared, and you can either add your own prompt or let the AI decide based on the scene. Then hit Confirm. You can also choose to animate all your scenes at once. Just click Next, pick your video model again, and confirm. The animation cost depends on how many scenes you have. For example, I've got 6 images and it cost me 1,800 credits. The final cost may also vary depending on which video model you use. Once you're done, take a quick look at the animated scene. If something looks off, reanimate it until it feels right. When all your scenes look good, hit Next. This is where you'll make the final edit. Add your cover image, title, and title style. Now, pick your subtitle style and background music. Just make sure the music volume is low enough so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Now click Generate. Choose your aspect ratio and video quality. I'll go with high quality. Then hit OK. Now Magic Light puts all your scenes together into one smooth video, and it even shows a short story summary with tags to help your video stand out. Once it's done, just download your finished video. Also, you have the option to download the images as well. Alright, let's check out the final result.
Ben found a tiny puppy hiding under his porch on a stormy night. He named him Buddy and took care of him. The next day, Buddy followed Ben everywhere: school, the park, even to the garden. One afternoon, Ben lost his favorite toy near the woods. Buddy sniffed and barked until he found it buried under some leaves. From that day on, Ben called Buddy his little hero.
Pretty awesome, right? The characters look consistent and the video runs super smooth. If you want to try Sora 2 yourself, just hit the link in the description and start creating today. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, and share it around. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.
The legends, they were true.
I've crossed the stars, but I've never felt this alone.
So this is where it all began.